BMW 123D SE, and this has got the dynamic pack, so it's got the M Sport suspension and M Sport interior, which is great. This one's got 72,000 miles, and it is a category S from the insurance company, and the damage is around the back. So as you can see, the front all decent, both wings, bonnet, bumper all good. It's got front park assist, which is nice, and that side is nice and straight, and so is this too, nice and straight, clean. And it's got a ton of extras. It's got red leather, it's the Dakota one, so it's decent. It's got USB underneath there, it's got the iDrive, it's got heated seats, it's got dual climate control, cruise control, trip computer, power fold mirrors, and it's got the large sat-nav screen as well. And it's got auto dim rear view mirrors, so that means it's probably got auto wipers, auto lights, stuff like that. And it is very, very nice. Nice and clean. Around the back we have a squash, it's fine that side, but someone's bumped into it that side, and it's been screwed back into place just to hold it there. And these gash marks are actually being cut by the insurance company just to see what's behind there, but pretty much it's that. And there's a little kink there, which I'll get a paintless dent removal guy to fix that. The whole car down that side is nice and straight, and got another bumper. It's in a different colour, so it needs to be painted, but it's got the factory fitted parking sensors, so that'll be painted. And it's sapphire black, so it's an easy colour to paint. Oh, and there's a mark there as well, so I'm guessing this bottom half of this tailgate one needs to be painted as well. And he'll be back on the road. I mean, you won't find many of these at 72,000 miles, especially not with all the extras in them. This has got to be a 6.5 grand car.